Okay, so what we're doing here is I've got a top banana fuselage here, and I'm going to set this up for glow power, so I particularly need this firewall isolated against vibration. So we're going to glass it, and I'm going to show you some tricks that hopefully will work out. We'll see. So I'm going to just use 5-minute epoxy and hopefully not make too big of a mess of things. We'll see how it works. So let's switch down so you can see the operation instead of all the stuff of me. So I've got some epoxy squirted out here. I'm actually going to wait to mix that up because we are going to make sure that we don't ruin our engine mount blind nuts here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take petroleum jelly. I'm going to stick it in all of the holes for my blind nuts. There we go. Alright, I am not going to waste your time letting you see me put epoxy on this because it's boring. And if you need instructions on epoxy, there are other videos you should watch. Okay, so we have this mess here, which is not laying down real nicely, and I'm a little worried about that. But, nevertheless, now we are going to attempt to do the next task, which is a balloon. Hopefully I can inflate a balloon. I hate inflating balloons. And now, let's see if I can do this on video here. Now I'm off camera, sorry. There we go. Got a few spots that are the balloon's not quite wrapping around. But we can get a little creative with those. Anyway, that is how you do that, and I'm probably going to inflate another balloon and try to wrap around there or something to smooth that area out too. Or I may just come in with electrical tape and wrap it around. You have one place where there we go. That should give us a relatively smooth finish. If there are any bubbles in it afterwards, I can sand those off. And then you peel it off and it'll give you a nice shiny finish. So 30 minutes later, actually it's more than that. I actually strung a second balloon on here. So we'll pull it off first. We'll peel this one off. And there you go. You can actually see it's a nice finish here. There's a little bit excess goop in a few places here. We'll sand that off. But in general, you get a nice finish. And so now you can clean out this area, get to your engine bearer bolts, and off you go. Got to clean out my slot for my pylon, and I can even show you. I mean, this cuts real nice. And there we go. But the bottom line is now the front of my airplane is glassed, and that gives me two benefits. One is the epoxy is a little less penetrable by your glow fuel. And since on these airplanes you run fairly high nitro, at least 30%, if not much higher. This gives you a nice barrier for that, but it also gives you some vibration resistance because the epoxy is nice and tough. And there you go. So how to do the front end on a glow model. Come on, keep turning, keep turning. Nope. What's it gonna hit this time? Please not a fence post. Wow. Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.